Hey guys, it's Sheila Taylor with myEcon. I hope everybody's having a good day and that everybody stays blessed today. I want to share with you guys some things about myEcon that you may not know. What is myEcon? How do they operate? What do they have to offer? Can they really help me? Allow me to share my screen and I will show you exactly what is going on with myEcon. Let's see here. Let's figure out. Okay, so let's go over to myEcon. Now, this is your back office. You have all this stuff available to you when you join myEcon. The first thing that they focus on is putting more money back in your pocket. So if you have a JOB, we teach you how to put anywhere from $200 to $600 more back in your pocket each month, all by correcting your W-4. Okay, this is pretty simple. It walks you through step by step. Okay, June Collier is wonderful. Couldn't ask for a better guy to give you the presentation. The next thing that they focus on is eliminating your debt. Okay, and that's pretty, everybody knows that if you have debt, you're going to pay more maybe in finance charges. So here is a short video. And also when you have more debt, it robs us of our cash flow. That means we don't have enough cash. So basically what you're going to do is put your creditor in here. I have a Visa. I owe $400. My interest rate's 22%, and my minimum payment, let's say $100. And what you could do is when you get that money back from correcting your W-4, you apply it to your debt. And so by doing this, you're going to eliminate it a lot quicker. You're going to eliminate it in 3 months. So in 3 months, you're going to be completely debt-free. Okay. And you can put in your mortgage. You can put in student loans, whatever. You can add more debt, you know, depending on how much debt you have. The next thing is your credit system, which is they focus on 750 credit score within 90 to 120 days. So if you don't have a good credit score, you're going to pay higher interest. You may not be able to get a car. They run your credit sometimes for getting a cell phone. Charged cards are going to be harder to obtain. So this link takes you to your credit system, your smart credit system. Again, there's a short little video that goes in detail. Then what you need to do, this is step by step, guys. It has all these lessons. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then a summary. Step by step. Like how to obtain your credit history, how to read your credit history, how to remove negative payments from your history. If you were late with a car payment, if you were late paying your Visa, if you were late paying your mortgage, all that we teach you step by step. This is something that you do yourself. You do not have to send it off to a third party person who may or may not get around to your issue in 90 to 120 days. Again, if you get on this and start doing this step by step, do some every day, each day, your credit could be improved in 60 days. Again, this is something that you do. And let's see here. Go back here. Give me a second. Now, once you get your credit score up to 750 or higher, there is a thing called the 750 monitoring, which means you get somebody to look after your credit. So once you get a 750 credit score, you don't want somebody coming along and stealing your identity. So there's a 750 monitoring as well. Let's see here. What else can I tell you? There's a lot to offer. A lot. As you can see right here, I'm an EVP. Products. There's an ID defender, travel, discount travel, coffees. I love coffee. These coffees taste really good too. Really, really good. Tomo coffee. It's very good. There's also a weight loss coffee. Here's a short little video. There is a roadside assistance. There's a cashback mall. Cash flow manager. Let's talk about this just real quick. Now, anybody who is in business, they're an entrepreneur, knows how important it is to keep good records. Because at the end of the year, Uncle Sam, IRS, wants to know how much money you made. Did you profit? Did you take a loss? With the cash flow manager, and you can have this on the cell phone, it's an app. Let's say you go out and you're meeting a client, talking about business, you're going to dinner. All you have to do is take a picture of your receipt and it stores it inside the app. Okay, so you do not have to gather all your receipts like you once did and stick them in an envelope and throw them in the drawer. The cash flow manager does everything. It helps with your mileage. So there's a lot. And it is $10.95 a month if you just wanted that. Let's go back over products. What else? Roadside assistance. This is good, especially I recommend this for like single parents, ladies especially, just to kind of have a backup to your insurance plan that you already have, just for that added peace of mind. All these here are kind of like a la carte issues, but you get all this when you become a member of myEcon. Now, the exciting thing is it's $34.95 a month, and you get all this, okay? And another exciting thing, and I mean this is really, really, really exciting, is that you can become a part of myEcon right now. Our team is running a special for under $20, guys. Under $20. Unreal. Under $20. Okay? You can become a part of myEcon. Now, when you become a part of myEcon, and let's say you want to maybe share it to the world, how do you do that? Well, I'm going to show you. When okay, when you join, myEcon. And when you join our team, again, for $19.95, you can get started under $20. We have an app, okay, that is on the computer, and it's also on the cell phone and on your iPad, okay? This is called the 2020 Vision Team. Our team, our leaders, have developed this app exclusively, and I repeat, exclusively for our team. There's no other teams out there that have this app. Nobody. We have some awesome, let me say, awesome leaders on our team that developed this app for us exclusively to help us market myEcon without having to go to Aweber or ClickFunnels or Get Response or any of that. Okay, they have made this so stupid simple. Stupid simple. Again, you can see 2020 Vision. You have your home training. They provide all the training. Oops, let me log back in. So they provide all the training for you. And each one of these is going to be locked. If you're a newbie to the team, you can't skip any of this. You have to watch. You can't fast forward any of this. You might think to yourself, well, I already know this. Well, you know, that's part of the training. And it gives you the overview of myEcon, income shifting, what that means, correcting your W-4, debt elimination, your credit system, 750 or higher in 90 to 120 days, cash flow manager, the cashback mall. I didn't even touch on that, but that's huge. Christmas is about 6.5 months away, 7 months, so why not start shopping now and get cash back to shop at the cashback mall through myEcon? Just makes sense. And then I wanted to tell you guys too, this is all gamified, okay? You're gonna earn points as you go along. You start off at 0 and then you start earning points. Okay? You see, I'm at 2150. I am a productive panda. Okay? So the training is all there. Let me just go back to that real fast. Next is mindset. Guys, I cannot emphasize enough mindset. I don't care what you're going to sell. If it's CBD oil, coffee, you could have a brick and mortar business. You could sell nail polish, body wraps, weight loss, protein shakes. If your mind is not right, I think you might fail So mindset is huge. It's key. It plays a key role in how you succeed in business. Next is traffic. Does that mean you're going to be stuck out on the freeway in a traffic jam? Huh. No. Traffic, we have a reliable traffic provider, and he's awesome. That our leaders recommend, that I highly suggest you use. Then we teach you about follow-up. Following up is as simple as texting. As soon as you get a lead, you text them back through an email, text, or phone call. Follow up. How important it is to follow up with your leads. Very, very, very important. Then we break everything down into the 4 basics. Everything that I've talked about is here, the 4 basics. Right now we're doing a special May Blitz, and our team is just on fire. We have pages that are already set up for us. We have a sales page here, and if once you're a member of our team, then you just hit share and it copies to the clipboard, and guess what? You can use that like on Facebook, Instagram. That stuff like that is free advertisement, guys. I'm not going to show you my leads because I have quite a few of them. Quick replies. This is something that you personalize to you, okay? For the email, we have both email and text. But you personalize these to you, okay? Scripts. How many times have you heard, well, I want to talk to my husband, or I need to talk to my wife first. You know, she's the boss. She rules the roost, so I need to talk to her. I don't want to be in the doghouse, so I need to talk to her first. Okay, here's your rebuttal to tell the husband. Okay, if they already own their own business, you know, they say, well, I already own my own business. Or, you know what, I need to research this first. Or how do I know if this is going to work? Will it work for me? Look, I've been burned before and I've lost money. Guess what? You have a reply to tell them on this. And if they say, well, you know, I really don't believe this is real, you can say, wait a minute, hold the phone. You can say, I can tell you names of team members that's on my team that have raised their credit score in 90 to 120 days. You know, let's say they were at 550 and now they're at 700 and it's been 60 days. Or they say, you know, I just don't understand how this works. So there really is no excuse for somebody not to understand everything when everything is right here. If you follow what We teach you. Our leaders have been there and done that several times over and over and over again. They know what works and what doesn't. And to be a part of this team, to get started, 1995, okay? And then after that, it's $34.95 a month with myEcon. So guys, I'm just sharing my heart here. This is an awesome team. We take each other by the hand, step by step. We call each other. We encourage each other. If one of us feels down and maybe sad, guess what? There's 300 other people there that's going to reach down and pick you back up. So guys, I hope this helps. And if there's anything that I can do to help you, let me know. Again, my name is Sheila, and I hope you have an awesome, awesome evening, and God bless you.